Guys, today we are going to discuss another important topic is UNESCO. UNESCO heritage sites are there in the worldwide. There are UNESCO heritage sites are there. In India also there are UNESCO heritage sites, and there are certain types heritage cultural sites, eco-friendly sites are there. Okay. So today which is important, like this is the question, which was declared India's latest UNESCO World Heritage Site in July 2025. Okay, this was the question. Okay, there is Maratha military landscape become India's 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is 44th World Heritage Sites is going to take place, which is Maratha military landscape. Okay, this is the recent site which is recognized by UNESCO. Okay, yeah, ancient Maratha force. Okay, become UNESCO World Heritage Site. Guys, this is the important topic in the coming exam. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss what are the different sites located in India today class. Okay, yes, yeah, which is the recent inscription of Maratha military landscape of India, now officially 44 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. There are sites which is 44 heritage sites, cultural sites are 36, natural sites are 7 and mixed is 1. Okay, cultural are 36, natural are 7 and mixed is 1. Totally 44 sites are there in India. Okay, what are the sites we are going to discuss? Okay, yeah, this is the important topic in the coming exam. Okay, yes, yeah, these are the sites were located in India. Okay, UNESCO Culture Heritage Sites in India included iconic monuments like Taj Mahal, Ajanta Ellora caves like that, Sun Temple, Konark. These are the most significant. There is a historical places, there are certain unique features, okay, are there historically, culturally. Okay, we are going to discuss about each state where the sites are 44 sites are there. Okay, yeah, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Sikkim, West Bengal. If come to the Telangana, Kakatiya Rudreshwara mean Ramappa temple is comes under UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, in India. Okay, we are going to discuss each site. Okay, yes, you have to take a screenshot about it and you have to remember it. This is the important graph, guys. There is a question coming from these sites. Okay, yeah. First, we are going to discuss heritage sites. Cultural heritage site. Cultural sites are 36. Cultural sites are 36. First one is Agra Fort, 1983, which is recognized by UNESCO. Agra Fort, which is Uttar Pradesh. Agra Fort is located in Uttar Pradesh. There is a place fort with crucial history of Mughal Empire. Okay, this is about Agra Fort. Ajanta Caves, that is in the Maharashtra, 1983. It is the famous Buddhist cave painting and rock cut architecture. Okay, they can ask you the feature, significant feature or the location or the place name. Okay, yeah, Ajanta, Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves and Ellora Caves, that is also Maharashtra. That is outstanding crystallization of ancient Indian rock cut architecture representing Buddhist Indo-Jain faiths. Okay, yeah, guys, you have to remember Ajanta and Ellora Caves. Ajanta Caves, Maharashtra, Ellora Caves, Maharashtra. This is also the architecture and painting. And Uttar Pradesh, that is Agra Fort, which is about Mughal Empire. Okay, Taj Mahal, which is comes under Uttar Pradesh, where is architecture. Okay, Sun Temple, that is Konark place, Odisha. Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. This is 13th century exploiting the sun god Surya, unique architecture style and elaborate the stone carvings. Okay, this is the special features of special unique cultural sites. Okay, cultural heritage sites. Okay guys, you have to take a screenshot about it. Next, group of monuments, Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, 1984. They can ask you the chronology order where they can recognize. Okay, 1983 onwards. Okay, 1983 onwards. 84, that is monument of Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. It is the 7th, 8th century of architectural and sculpture evolution in the port city of Pallava dynasty, which is monument of Mahabalipuram. Okay, churches of Goa Church also comes under cultural heritage site, which is 1986. Okay, Fatehpur Sikri, 1986, that is Uttar Pradesh. This is about Mughal Emperor Akbar. Okay, they can ask you the emperor name Akbar also. There is a recognized by Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, Fatehpur Sikri is imperial capital city built by Mughal Empire. Emperor Akbar, Mughal Emperor, which is Akbar, who built the city Fatehpur Sikri, comes under cultural heritage site. Okay, group of monuments where Hampi, Karnataka, 1986. Okay, that is the capital city of Vijayanagara Empire during 14th to 16th century. Okay, Vijayanagara Empire, which is Hampi also there comes under the cultural heritage site. Okay, yes, these are the Khajuraho group of monuments 1986, which is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Khajuraho group of monuments, Madhya Pradesh, that is cluster of Hindu giant temples built in 10th and to 11th century. Okay, these are the most important, the cultural heritage sites of UNESCO. Okay, yes. Come to the next topic, Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra. Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra, 1987. Okay, it is rock cut caves, okay, of Shiva sect from 6th century. Okay, rock cut caves, elephant caves or the Shiva, okay, Lord Shiva. And great living Chola temple, Tamil Nadu, which is also important, 11th 12th century of Chola dynasty. Okay, group of monuments, Pattadkal, Karnataka, 18th century Chalukya dynasty. They can ask you the dynasty name also. Okay, that is Pattadkal, which is Chalukya dynasty. Okay, Buddhist monument at Sanchi. Okay, 1989, Madhya Pradesh. It is the oldest stone structure. Okay, Humayun tomb is the king, which is 1993, where Delhi. This is the Mughal tomb, which is earliest garden. Okay, guys, these are the sites most important in the coming exam. Next one, Qutub Minar and its monument, Delhi. Qutub Minar is Delhi, where the 13th century Indo-Islamic architecture. They can ask you, Qutub Minar is which style architecture, which is Indo-Islamic architecture. Okay, mountain railways of Darjeeling, which is Kalka, Shimla and Nilgiri. Okay, which is come from West Bengal. Okay, it is fully operational, and between 1881 to 1901. Okay, 1908. Okay, rock shelter Bhimbetka rock shelter, Madhya Pradesh, which is very earlier site. Okay, earlier site demonstrating early human life. Okay, these are the Bhimbetka rock cut caves, or there is a excavation of early painting. Okay, cave painting are there in the Bhimbetka. Okay, Champanar archaeological park, where in the Gujarat, which is pre-Mughal Islamic city. We've come to the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminals, Maharashtra. Okay, and Red Fort complex, Delhi. Jantar Mantar, Rajasthan. These are the cultural heritage sites. Yeah, Hill Forts of Rajasthan, which is 2014 Rajasthan, and Rani Ki Vav, which is Gujarat, 2014. Archaeological site of Nalanda, Mahavira, 2016. Okay, architecture of work of Lev, which is Chandigarh. Yeah, historical city of Ahmedabad, 2017, which is from Gujarat. Victorian Gothic and Art Deco Ensemble, Mumbai, Maharashtra, 2018. Jaipur city, where Rajasthan. Jaipur city also culture heritage site, Rajasthan. And Dholavira Harappan city, Gujarat. This is important, 2020. Kakatiya Rudreshwara temple, Telangana. Okay, where 13th century engineering masterpiece of Kakatiya dynasty, where the splendid ornate architecture and sculpture work, okay, going to take place in the Rudrasagar temple, Rudreshwara temple, which is we can call it as Ramappa temple, where 2021, okay, it is recognized as UNESCO heritage sites in the 2021. Okay, yeah. Shantiniketan, West Bengal is also comes under UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this is a symbol of Oyasala, Karnataka. Okay, Madhimams and Assam. Yeah. Guys, these are the cultural sites. 36 are cultural sites. They can ask you which one of the following is comes under cultural heritage site. This is, yeah, World Heritage Site, where the like biodiversity hotspots are there. Natural heritage sites. These are the natural heritage sites, or okay, we can call it as there is a biodiversity hotspot. Okay, these are the most important. Kaziranga National Park, which is recognized in 1985. Kaziranga National Park, where in the Assam, okay, which is home world largest population of one-horn rhinos. Okay, one-horn rhinos are the largest site for the Kaziranga National Parks, which is also UNESCO World Heritage Site, which is Natural World Heritage Site. Natural World Heritage Site, Kaziranga National Park in the Assam. This is world largest population of one-horn rhinos. Okay, Kealodo National Park, which is in the Rajasthan. This is also most important. This is important man-made wetland for the migratory water birds. Okay, there are Kealodo National Parks in the Rajasthan. There are birds coming from the Siberian, okay, to Rajasthan during the winter. It is which is man-made wetland, which is recognized as World Natural UNESCO Natural Heritage Site. Yes, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary also comes under Assam, which is critical tiger habitat representing biodiversity in the eastern Himalayas. Eastern Himalayas, there is a biodiversity hotspot is there. Eastern Himalayas and Western Ghats are two biodiversity hotspots are there in India. Ones fall under Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, falls under biodiversity hotspot where the tiger habitation is there. Okay, Sundarban National Park, which is 1987, West Bengal. The largest estuary of mangrove forest is globally endangered by rushing sea levels. Guys, this is Sundarban is the largest mangrove coast is there in the West Bengal. Okay, yeah, it is endangered by raising sea levels. Okay, there is sites. Once again, you go into this Kaziranga National Park, Assam, one-horn rhinos, and Kealodo National Park is the man-made, which is migratory birds. Migratory birds. Manas is Assam. Yeah, it is about tiger habitation and this is the biodiversity hotspot, and Sundarban National Park, West Bengal, which is endangered of this mangrove forest. Mangrove forest is there in the Sundarban forest, okay, where in the West Bengal, okay. This is comes under endangered due to the increasing of sea level, okay. This is most important natural World Heritage Sites, okay. Yeah, and Nanda Devi Valley flowers, this is also natural heritage site, which is 1988 came into existence 2005 in Uttarakhand, okay. It is alpine wildflowers, okay. Yeah, Western Ghats also biodiversity hotspot, which is Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. These are the mountain range heritage site, natural. Yeah, Great Himalayas National Parks also comes under, which is Himachal Pradesh, okay. Diverse ecosystem and biodiversity is greater here, okay. You have to look into here. This is also most important, guys. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is very important for exam point of view. Yes, and mixed, one is mixed site. There are cultural sites are 36 and natural sites are 7 and one mixed site. Total 44 sites are there, total 44, 36 mixed, 7 and 1, okay, 44. Yeah, UNESCO Mixed World Heritage Site in India, which is Kanchenjunga National Parks, where in the Sikkim, associated with indigenous Sikkimese culture. This meaning of mountain peak. It can be protect the huge range of eastern Himalayas biodiversity across different vegetation of the subtropical. Okay, India actually tropical country. This is the Sikkim is comes under subtropical area. Okay, there is a huge biodiversity and vegetation is protected by this national park. This is the most important cultural and natural heritage site, which is mixed heritage site. Okay, most important, guys. This is the exam point of view. It is most important. There are 44 heritage sites, okay. Recent heritage site we did discuss. This is the list of the heritage sites, UNESCO heritage sites. Yeah, if come to the Telangana is, there is a Ramappa temple is comes under UNESCO heritage site. This is important in the coming exam, okay. Yeah, name, there is a Rudreshwara temple. We can call it as Ramappa temple. This is the important for coming exam. Location where in the Palampet village, Mulugu district, Telangana. Okay, it is built by, yeah, who built it? Okay, Recharla Rudra, a general of Kakatiya king Ganapati Deva. Ganapati Deva is a king. Recharla Rudra. General mean the general of Kakatiya. Mean minister of this king. So it is not the name of the king, it is the name of minister, Recharla Rudra. Okay, so we can call Rudreshwara temple because of it is built by a minister. Okay, yeah. So it is the dynasty is Kakatiya dynasty here, which is 1213, yeah, C. Okay, 12th century. architecture style is Kakatiya style, Vasara style. This is the important Vasara style. Okay, yeah, architecture style they can ask you. UNESCO stated it is inscribed in 2021, the year 2021. They can ask you the year name also. Which one of the year Ramappa temple comes under UNESCO Heritage Sites? Okay, this is 2021 the year. Okay, it is cultural World Heritage Site. Okay, UNESCO site of 1570 ID. They don't ask you ID. Okay, this is the temple guys of Kakatiya Rudreshwara, which is Ramappa temple. Okay, they can ask you in the exam. Yeah, significance of this Ramappa temple. They can ask you significance. Yeah, importance of this Ramappa temple. It is built with the sandbox technology. Sandbox technology. This is important for exam point of view. It is built by sandbox technology. Okay, the temple stands 6 feet height. Okay, star shaped. This is also important. Star shaped platform. Star shaped platform, which is 6 feet platform is there. Okay, it is constructed lightweight porous bricks. Lightweight porous bricks. This is also important in the coming exam. They can ask you the features. Okay, features, that is curved dancing figures. Okay, and mythological scenes also there, and decorate beams, and it is made from sandstone. Okay, yeah, floating bricks also important. Okay, lightweight stones. Okay, there is a Garbhagriha, which is the god Shivalinga. Okay, the god Shivalinga. These are the most important. Sandbox technology is the first point. Okay, star shaped platform, which is 6 feet, second points. Okay, lightweight porous brick is third point, and the curved dancing figure is fourth point. Okay, sandstone floating bricks is fifth point, and Shivalinga is sixth point. These 6 points are most important in the coming exam, where the World Heritage Site Ramappa temple. Okay, these features about Ramappa temple most important. Okay, guys, you have to remember these points. Okay, they can ask, they don't ask you more than these features. Okay, why it is significant, Ramappa temple. Okay, this is Rudreshwara temple, Ramappa temple. Features you have to mind it. Okay, they can ask you, there is a more chance if they come to the Telangana, right? Telangana heritage sites, which is you have to read. Okay, most important. And these are the features, significant features. 6 points you have to remember. Okay, yes, yeah, unique features named after, yeah, named after the sculpture Ramappa rather than the ruler. Ruler is Ganapati Deva. Ruler, the king is Ganapati Deva. The minister is Rechalla Rudra. Okay, Rechalla Rudra. Okay, Ganapati Deva, under Ganapati Deva, Rechalla Rudra is built this temple. That is why, that is the temple, Ramappa temple. Okay, Rudreshwara temple. Okay, that is decorate, carving, depict the Ramayana and Mahabharata also there. Okay, these are the Puranic stories. Okay, Nandi is also there. There is a Nandi in the temple. Okay, in front of the temple. Okay, which is used black basalt pillars. Okay, yeah, these are the important about Ramappa temple. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. You have to focus it. Yeah, probability of the questions in the Ramappa temple. Probability of the questions. Who built the Ramappa temple? Recharla Rudra, a general of Ganapati Deva. Okay, Recharla Rudra, a general of Ganapati Deva. And which technology used in the foundation of Ramappa temple made it is earthquake resistant. Earthquake resistance. Okay, sandbags technology. Sandbags technology used for the earthquake protection. Okay, earthquake resistance. Ramappa temple dedicated to the which deity? Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. This is important. Which year the Ramappa temple is inscribed as UNESCO Heritage Site? 2021. Okay, yes. Where Ramappa temple is located? Palampet district, Palampet, the area, Mulugu district, Telangana. This is the most important, okay, points, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. Tomorrow we will discuss the another important topic. UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, and there is a certain convention, UNFCCC, and there is a Vienna Convention. We are going to discuss CBD, Convention on Biological Diversity. We are going to discuss about environment conventions. Tomorrow itself we are going to discuss. Okay, you have to follow the Chandu Biology as regular classes we are going to conduct. Okay, thank you.